So all of this came with the boat. It's all bottom paint, just different things, and this is what I'm going to need first. So that works out. That saves me a little bit. That's going to be one of the priorities, is fixing the deck. Fix that, and then fix the windows, and then the top, and then I can get busy. But actually, before I even do any of that, I need to clean out the boat so I can get to things. So let's get busy on that. So I went ahead and put the rudder back on just to have somewhere to keep it from me tripping over it. That's a good place. I won't be working back here for a while anyway. So, alright, still got a bunch of stuff in there. It's all coming out now. Well, I'm getting it out. Slowly but surely. At least I can get around and do things in here now. What I do with it? Well, it's right here so far. There's the little galley. I'm going to take it completely out and refurbish it and change a couple things. I don't need that big of an area for a stove. But here's the... That's what he done to the top. This is a ceiling that needs to go back in place and go from there. Alright, we're gonna go check out. I saw this on another video. Yeah, see, all this could come out. That's a lot of wasted space right here. That's kind of worthless. So I can cut this whole well out. It's not touching anything. It's I don't know what the heck it's for. So if I cut this like right along the edge here, that'll give a lot more storage underneath, and probably something I wouldn't want to get to a whole lot. I don't know what I put in there. I'll put something in there. I've done this with a Ericsson 35. That's where the water tank was. Oh, I think that's probably what that was. Put a water tank there or something, but if so, I can put a bladder or something in there. Oh well, we'll see. So these cushions are in good to excellent condition. I mean, look at that. That looks nice. Top and bottom, and wow. You can flip them either way, because this could be flipped over, and I guess. Anyway, they look really, really nice. So I do have a sewing machine, and I do know how to use it. So, but I don't have to on the cushions. That saves me a lot of trouble. One good thing, huh? Yeah. Look at that. Cushions look really, really nice. Not good enough anyway. Okay. There you go. That looks kind of homey. Gotta find the bulkheads and most likely redo those. That's all the cushions, I believe. There's sails, companionway, sails, junk. Huh, we're out of cushions, but that's fine. Whatever, I got some material that'll match, and I do have a sewing machine. So there you go. I guess that thing slides back like that. I don't know if I even keep it. So I haven't done the windows yet, mainly because I don't have a mask for sanding. So I'm gonna have to go get some probably tomorrow. But at least I got the boat cleaned out pretty good. Okay, so everything's working pretty good here. Looks good. Got all the covers except for this. Don't have this cover. I'm gonna have to make this. The piece I had, it didn't really even fit. It was pretty rotten anyway, so I'm gonna have to make one. That's gonna be high on the list. And look at that trip hazard. Yeah, that's just ridiculous. I mean, I like a Traveler up about midships. I had one on my Ericsson 35. It worked great. Loved it. But on this thing, yeah, that's a trip hazard. My companionway was not as low on the Ericsson either, so it worked good on it. This, not so much. I'm going to have to move it somewhere else. But anyway, and I don't know if you can see that, but there's gate valves. There's a gate valve, and I do not like gate valves. You can't tell by looking at them if they're open or closed. And most of the time they're all rusted anyway. So the gate valve is leaving, and actually I'm just going to get rid of that whole through hole. I'm going to divert my drain because it's so tiny. It it gets clogged up with leaves in no time, and any kind of sand or dirt and debris, and that's just horrendous looking design there. So got to get rid of all that and divert it somewhere else and make the holes bigger and larger drain lines. So that's going to leave. But anyway, yeah, coming along pretty good. It's a bit too cold to fiberglass, so I'm not able to fiberglass today. So I was able to go through and clean up the boat a little bit. I still haven't got all the debris out of the floor, but it'll happen. And really don't have to. I just want to look around and see what needs attention first, which that companionway needs to be clear. Because when I'm doing the windows, I'm gonna have to come in and out. So I don't want to be tripping over that thing anymore. I mean, I was very lucky not to get hurt earlier. So anyway, wow, I really like this thing. My wife came out and checked it out. She loves it. She says it's pretty neat. And I put the top up also. It's hard to do without the mast because it won't stay up, so I have to hold it up. But my goodness, this thing has a lot of room in it. For a 22-foot boat. The Pullout Galley, I was going to get rid of that, but I want to keep it. I cleaned it up. It was black. It's pushed in right now. I'm going to have to change a couple things on it. And of course there's a drawer that goes here, and it's up under the table right now. I haven't put any of that together because I want to clean it up and fix everything up and to where it's usable. And yeah, so you lift this thing up and it'll pull out. Of course, my fat butt got to get over here to pull it out. And that has a cooler that somebody cut it out or something and put a cooler in there. I found that top, so it fits. I guess that's the original top. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned, and I will be doing the windows, the deck, and especially taking out the Traveler. And maybe I need to make a step right there, cover for that. I could probably do that in 2 sections actually. Anyway, oh, the bulkheads. Oh yeah, the bulkheads. They're okay condition, but I want to do something different because they come out to here, and the other one comes out to here. Yeah, comes out to here. So that gives you this little bit right here to get to the V-berth. So I don't need all that. Really, the bulkheads, all you need is enough to support this weight down, and that's all you need on both sides. So if I do that on both sides, like right here up, and then I could do some slats from here to the compression post, and there's the back of my seat, which I don't even really think I'll be sitting on this side because my head hits. I'm 6 foot and I got a pretty tall torso evidently. So anyway, so thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe if you've not subscribed, and just stay tuned because we got a long way to go, but it'll get done.